Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm here with Unice again. You know that everything is always branded, so we have the drawstring bag, we have the Unice box, you know how they do already. And then open the box, obviously the wig right there, so we're gonna get into that in a few. Then I got a goodie bag. I got a branded Unice elastic headband, a pair of HD wig caps, and oh my gosh, they sent another gorgeous set of press-on nails. And then we also got another pair of HD wig caps, and they sent this 8 pairs, another set of eyelashes, 8 pairs. Listen, their goodies are top tier. Like, they're serious about their goodies. And there were also 2 of these clips inside the box. Everything is so professionally done and cute. This is a Unice's 13x4 ear-to-ear lace frontal straight wig, pre-everything wig, guys. This is glueless, completely glueless, and it's 24 inches long. It's a silky straight texture, like straight out of the packaging. It's like butter, okay? It's like freshly straightened hair. It feels so good. Absolutely no shedding so far. But you know, the highlight of this wig is the fact that it's a glueless ear-to-ear 13x4 lace front. Okay, it is a HD lace front, and it is already pre-bleached, as it says, pre-everything, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-tinted, pre-plucked. All right, they even apply the tapes that you could use for the sides to make it stick to the sides of your head or your hairline once you apply it, so that way you know it's not flabbing. It looks gorgeous. It's beautifully constructed, professionally constructed. In the package, I also got the adjustable elastic band to apply to the wig because there are the loops inside. There's also one comb in the back to keep it secure to the back of your head, and adjustable straps in the back. There's also a non-slip silicone rubber portion that will help for security, and it's a medium cap as well. Okay, so that's lovely. Now they also sent extra tape, so when you wear, I guess when you finish with this set, you can go ahead and change it out when you need more. So I think that's really great that they put more in the packaging. And yeah, this is how it looks. The density, everything will be listed down below. It's a 1B color, very natural looking. The movement, everything is so beautiful, and it's nice and full. It's not too heavy. I'm very pleased, super happy. This is gonna be perfect for my beginners. So let's go ahead and jump into this installation. I went ahead, adjusted the bands in the back, and attached the adjustable elastic band. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to my head. So this is what it looks like once I go ahead and slip it on. Alright, now literally the next step is basically just going ahead and, you know, taping down the sides. And let me tell you, you don't have to be scared of these tapes. They're not gonna rip your skin off or anything, but they're very secure. So like, I'm gonna show you too, like I'm gonna do a shake test and everything, but just to let you know, because they are strong. Really keeps your wig in place, it keeps the sides down, and everything looks good. But okay, before I even apply them, there's just a tiny bit in the front where it's a little casty, where there's absolutely no hair on the lace. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and remove that, just cut that away, so you know it can be a little bit more seamless. So I'm just gonna go ahead and peel away the blue portion. It's completely transparent, so you don't have to worry about, you know, seeing that tape. And you just press it in. And I just take a little time to really press it in to ensure that it's laying like how it should be. And you're good. So you can see that there's still a little bit of cast, so I'm gonna take my face powder to kind of just mute that out. But that, the lace is sitting. You see that? You see that? Yeah, Yeah, absolutely love that. So I'm gonna just do the next side. And that's it. Before I even, you know, use my powder to mute out the castings, I'm just so eager to show you guys that this is secure. So let's do a shake test. That's not going nowhere. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna go ahead, get my powder and tap the very edges where it's still a little casty, and just kind of mute that out. All I need to do is go in with my hot comb to like further get the top flat. But this is how we're looking so far, completely glueless. All right. Now, before I go any further, like with touching up the entire wig with my flat iron, which I really don't need to do, I just wanted it to look super sharp though. You know, there's some little, you know, dents in it from it being packaged. So yeah, but I just want to show you guys that you can actually part this anywhere within the lace that you wish, because it is a full 13x4. So if you want to do like a braided style or any of that, you can feel free to do that. Yeah, that is just gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and just run through it real quickly with my flat iron. I'm not even gonna do nothing too detailed because it's already beautifully straight. It's already so straight and sleek. I really don't need to do much. Like, the texture is perfect. I literally just did the repasses and that's all I needed. Like, movement immaculate. What? It's gorgeous. Let me just do it. You see, and it's not much difference from this side. Like, the hair is a 10. So this is the final look. Yeah, I just think you can never go wrong with a really sleek, straight texture. Like, it's just gorgeous. And what makes this wig like so convenient as well, you know, like in comparison to a closure wig, you know that you're limited to a certain space. With this, is a full 13x4 lace front, and a lot of people I know wouldn't necessarily, they prefer going for a closure because of the convenience of, you know, you don't have to worry about the size, and really don't have to worry about the size of this wig because they've created something for it to be very easy to stay down, so you don't have to worry about it lifting up easily or anything like that, and you have way more space to work with, you know. So it's really a great upgrade. And I highly recommend, 10 out of 10. Very minimal shredding, by the way, I should let you guys know. And it's the lace with everything already done for you and done properly. Gives a ultra natural look. So shout out to Unice here for another bomb constructed wig, a glueless wig. You know, all my beginners, tap in. Okay, I'll be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as all the specifications. Shout out to them once more for today's gorgeous wig look. Let me know what you guys think. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.